All right, getting some more breaking news coming in. Parliamentary committee might summon Ranveer Alabadia for a controversial remark at India's Got Latent show. Many MPs have complained. This is source-based information that we're getting for our viewers on what we can expect next on the story. So what we see right now are back-to-back updates coming in. Now, remember, Ranveer Alabadia is facing major criticism and flack after his recent appearance at Samay Raina's India's Got Latent. And we're also coming to know that the YouTuber, remember, had made a lot of comments which were against Indian family values. And as soon as the clips went viral online, demands to boycott the influencer are growing louder and louder. At the same time, viewers, we're coming to know that in the latest source-based information that we are getting for you, Parliamentary Committee might summon Ranveer Alabadia for controversial remarks at India's Got Latent show. And many MPs have been complaining about the latest controversy which has erupted. Remember, there are demands to boycott the influencer, which is growing louder and louder. And we are seeing that back-to-back updates are coming in right now on Republic TV. We are seeing that India's Got Latent show has been under the scanner right now. The complaint has been registered both by the Mumbai Commissioner and the Maharashtra Women's Commission, alleging that abusive language was used on that show. And we're getting you back-to-back reactions and updates on this. Let's move ahead right now, viewers, because we're getting you more updates. Let's go ahead to what is happening, because Arvind Kejriwal has right now reached Kapurthala House in New Delhi, and he'll be meeting Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann and state ministers and MLAs as well in Kapurthala House in Delhi. Now, remember, this is coming in just days after the crushing defeat that the Aam Aadmi Party has faced in these Delhi Assembly elections. Very important update coming in right now, viewers, where just a short while back, Arvind Kejriwal has arrived in Delhi for that very important meeting. Just days after Aam Aadmi Party's crushing defeat in the February 5th Delhi Assembly elections, Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal will be meeting the Punjab CM Bhagwant Mann and MLAs today. And this is coming in as there are also a lot of buzz of a rift within the party's Punjab unit. I'm going to go straight across to my colleague as well. Riyanka has been tracking this story from the ground. Riyanka, if you could take our viewers through what's been happening. Arvind Kejriwal has just arrived for that very important meeting. Do we know what would be on the agenda for that meeting?
Yes, we have in fact seen Arvind Kejriwal just arriving a while ago at the Kapurthala House, and all the MLAs and the ministers of the Punjab government have also arrived, including Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann. Now, this meeting, a crucial one, has already begun with the arrival of the Aam Aadmi Party convener. And when we spoke to the leaders of the Punjab Aam Aadmi Party unit, their version is that on the agenda there is going to be talks and discussions regarding the feedback of the Delhi elections and how the Aam Aadmi Party had lost the elections, what could have been done better, talks regarding that. And also they had, distanced from the claims that there is a divide in the party. The Aam Aadmi Party leaders of the Punjab unit very clearly mentioned that there is no divide in the party. They will be working under the leadership of Arvind Kejriwal as well as Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann. But on the other hand, there are several claims and allegations from the side of the Congress party that several Aam Aadmi Party Punjab MLAs are in touch with them. But all these claims from the Congress side has been, distanced by the Aam Aadmi Party leaders here in the national capital from Punjab who have come in. So very, very important meeting which is currently underway with the presence of all the leaders from the Punjab unit, top leaders including Raghav Chadha and others, Sandeep Dikshit, I beg your pardon, Arvind Kejriwal have also arrived here. So we will be keeping a very, very close eye on, what are the other details that come in.